Welcome to Homework Lib.
So here we have the region which is completely icy, and the three pucks here, A, B, and C, they are moving with velocities 2 meters per second, 4 meters per second, and 6 meters per second respectively. And the surface here is completely frictionless, so there is no friction here. That means there is no external force acting on these pucks over the surface of ice, and we need to order the forces needed to keep them moving. So as we can see here that these pucks are already in motion, and there is no as such any mention about the external force. So according to Newton's first law of inertia, the objects are in motion, so it will try to maintain that state. So there will be no force needed, and the order is going to be exactly same. So if we categorize the forces required to keep them moving, that would be zero. And to talk about the forces required to stop these moving objects, as we know that force is mass times acceleration, so that force will be larger when the acceleration will be greatest. So object having greatest acceleration, a huge amount of force will be required to stop it. So in terms of velocity here, we can see C is having the greatest velocity as compared to B as compared to A. So in order to decelerate, in order to completely stop them in the same time interval, the deceleration here needs to be greatest for C than B and than A. So if the deceleration follows the order here as mentioned, so the force also will follow the same order. So here if we rank them from greatest to least, this would be the correct order of forces which will be required to stop these moving pucks over the icy surface.